Hi everyone, it's Mrs. J. I hope you're having a great weekend and a great Thanksgiving week. I am going to show you in detail what the Earth looks like while it's revolving around the sun. So we're going to talk about revolve and rotate, and we are going to see the different seasons that Earth experiences. So I'm going to share my screen so that we can watch how Earth experiences each season. So we know that the Earth is tilted on its axis. So the Earth is not straight up and down, it is tilted at an angle. It is tilted at an angle because we can get our seasons and day and night. So because it is tilted at an angle, that's why one of the reasons we have our seasons. So let's talk about Earth in this position. So when Earth is in this position, the northern half is in the winter season, because if you can notice, the Earth is tilted away from the sun in the northern hemisphere. So because the northern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun, it is experiencing winter. So the southern half of the Earth is tilted towards the sun. So this part of the Earth is experiencing that direct sunlight. So while the northern hemisphere is experiencing winter, the southern hemisphere is experiencing summer. Okay, and as the Earth rotates and revolves around the sun, it stays in that tilted axis. So it stays in this position. So as we are talking about, the northern hemisphere, while it was over here, was experiencing winter. So what season comes after winter in the northern hemisphere? It would be fall. So as the northern hemisphere is experiencing fall, the southern hemisphere is experiencing spring. Now, these seasons, fall and spring, the tilt is not away or towards the sun. It is equal. So they are experiencing equal amounts of days. Whereas when the Earth was over here, the northern hemisphere was experiencing very short days, and the southern was experiencing longer days. So as the Earth revolves around the sun, this is its spring and fall. And now we are going to clearly see the Earth still tilted at the same angle, still tilted in the same way, but now it's on the opposite side of the sun. So what season is it for the northern hemisphere? It would be summer, because it is tilted towards the sun. The northern hemisphere is receiving those direct sunlight rays, and the southern hemisphere is not receiving the direct sunlight rays. So it would be winter in the southern hemisphere. In winter, they're experiencing shorter days, and in the southern hemisphere, where it's summer, they are experiencing longer days. So the tilt and the revolution is what is giving Earth seasons. So as the Earth continues on its path around the sun, in the northern hemisphere where it was just summer, now it is going to experience fall. So the northern half will experience fall, and the southern half will experience spring. So remember, the Earth is not tilted more towards or away from the sun, it is at an equal degree and in its spring and fall seasons. And as the sun finishes its way up here, that took 365 days or 1 year to revolve around the sun. So I hope you enjoyed my lesson. And if you have any questions, comment or send me an email and I will get back to you. Bye.